Joshi. Project Bolo English is a nationwide initiative that aims to equip children with spoken English skills. We work with children from Standard 3 to Standard 12. We provide them free mobile applications to improve their English communication skills. We have already been working since the last 1 year. We have been working with more than 1 lakh students since the last 1 year in 9 different states. We launched the project in Telangana last year with 25 schools, and the results that we saw with students are really encouraging. From Rangareddy district, from Khammam district, and from different remote parts of Telangana, children have shown excellent progress in their spoken English skills, and that has motivated us a lot to improve the scale or enhance the scale of the project in the state. So this year we have launched phase 1 of the project in Telangana with 100 schools. We already have more than 30,000 students who are a part of this project, and we are looking to take this project to at least 1 lakh students from Telangana this year. The main objective of this project is to support children from low income families from rural areas to improve their spoken English skills. The idea is that with spoken English skills, they should be able to grab more opportunities professionally, they should fulfill their dreams, and we are really hopeful that we empower students through this project as far as their dreams and professional aspirations are concerned. Along with students, we also work with teachers. So we have already worked with more than 1,500 teachers. And as much as we help the students to improve their spoken English skills, we also help teachers to improve their spoken English skills using the same mobile applications. We also provide teacher training, and we do multiple rewards, competitions, and incentives for students, teachers, and schools to keep their encouragement of learning intact. And with this collective efforts of school principals, teachers, ourselves, and Telangana Recognized School Management Association, all the dignitaries who are present here today, we hope that the project reaches great heights this year. Thank you.